Okay, here we go. Well, hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you a module that, well, before we start, I'm gonna tell you some disclaimer, okay? I generated module from GPT for CCNA practical material because not long I will try to attend CCNA trial and I'm trying to study here. And the idea was I will generate a module from GPT, and then the GPT will generate me the question, 20 question, and the reason why they are wrong. And here, as you can see here, the module itself contain OC TCP/IP, IPv4 addressing and subnetting, switching and VLANs, routing fundamentals, static and dynamic routing, STP, spanning tree protocol, the one that allow you to quicker and restrain you from getting loop, the HCP and NAT, access control list (ACL), wireless networking, and network troubleshooting. And here's there are the key materials, but I already read all of them, and let's just skip to the question, shall we? First, which OSI layer is responsible for routing? The answer was B. The answer was 3. Explanation was layer 3 handles logical addressing as routing using IP. Routes operate at this layer. And why the other was wrong? Because layer 2 handle MAC address, layer 4 handle TCP and UDP, the protocol, and layer 7 is application service. The second question, which protocol is connection oriented? The answer was C, TCP. For the explanation, we can see here, TCP establishes session and guarantees delivery. The others was wrong because UDP is connectionless and IP only handles addressing. ARP resolves MAC address. Number 3. What is the broadcast address of 192.168.1.0/24? The answer was B. 192.168.1 and 255. The explanation was in prefix 24 networks, the last address is the broadcast. The other was wrong because 1 is a usable host and C belongs to another networks, not the one because it has 0. And D, it was a different subnet range. Is what I mean is it was different prefix because if 24 only this one is 255, if this one is accepted it was a different class. And number 4, which device separates collision domains? The answer was switch. Explanation, because switch create one collision domain per port, and the other was wrong because hubs share collision domains. Repeaters only generate signal. It only regenerate. It's not. There's no actual connection. Only regenerate signals. And for the access point, it only provide wireless connectivity, so it doesn't do much with collision. Next, which VLAN comments assign VLAN 10 to a port? A. Switch port access VLAN 10, and you can see here I'm not writing all of them. Well, the answer was A, because that is the correct Cisco IS context. For the B, yeah, that's not right. C, nah, there's no code like that. VLAN access. If you add SW in this place, it might be right, but no. And the order was jumbled anyway, so it won't work. And 6, which protocol prevents switching loops? STP, as I said before. ARP is for MAC. RIP is only handle routing, and the HCP it assign IP, so it doesn't have anything work with looping. Yeah, dynamic host configuration protocol. Next, I'm not gonna explain why all of them wrong. Show VLAN information. Yeah, show IP routes. Wait, VLAN information? Oh, show VLAN brief, sorry. Next, RIP. And if you ask me why I'm not explaining why the rest are wrong, I mean just look, he answered for VLAN, and the rest, only one of them asked about VLAN. Next, which protocol uses hop count? RIP. A GRP it was dual, so technically it used, but not really. BGP is like vector. No, it's different. It's for another AS. OSPF, I mean, kind of, but no. OSPF using root, link state. So it works like a tree, OSPF. It's different with RAP. See, OSPF use cost, link state, AGRP use composite metric, basically dual. BGP use path attribute. It's different. It's the same thing but different words, synonym or something like that. Which command has connectivity ping? Yeah, it's self-explanatory. I'm not gonna explaining. What does not do? What does not do? Not encrypt, nah. Assign, nah. Prevent loops, so it was translate IP address. Hmm. Yeah, it's self-explanatory. We already explained the STP, MAC. Yeah, MAC address and NAT are whole different things. Encryption is far from anything. Which layer use MAC address to? Data link. Data link is layer 2, just in case you ask. Which protocol resolve IP to MAC? IRP. ECMP is for ping. DNS, yeah, it's DNS. It's domain, you know, it's for saving domains. FTP. I'm not very clear with the shortened word. If you give me the long word, I'm gonna know. Transfer file. Oh, it's that one. I know. It's for transfer file. It was in the pack. It's different whole thing. Which routing protocol converts faster than RIP? OSPF. No question. OSPF. They are quicker. Which Wi-Fi standard for Wi-Fi 6? The answer was D. 802.11ax, because 802.11ax branded as Wi-Fi 6, and the other was old standard. And 16. What is the default administrative distance of OSPF? The answer was B. 110. For 90 it was AGRP, 120 is RIP, and 1 is static route. Display routing table. Show IP route. Yeah, the rest of them are different kinds of command. This one show VLAN, this one show interface, and this one show STP that exists. What is the purpose of ACL? Oh yeah, it was to filter traffic. I'm not gonna talk about the rest. I mean, increase speed is not. It's a whole different thing. Assign IP? Nah. Prevent loops, that STP. Which protocol used for secure remote login? Yeah, it was SSA. It used to be Telnet, but Telnet was SSA but worse because it has no security. FTP, it for file. HTTP, yeah, it's worse HTTPS. And HTTP was used to website anyway. Oh, next one. And the last one. Which commands have Cisco configuration? Cisco configuration. Yeah, it was this one. Copy running config startup config. Because this one copy to the NVRAM and the other one are invalid or outdated. Okay, that's all from me. Have a wonderful day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.